In my video guide, I will provide you with instructions on how to effectively remove the new adware that attacks many Mac computers right now. The name of this adware is MemoryFunction. This particular adware is from the adload malware family, targeting Mac computers these days. MemoryFunction adware actually mainly affects Safari browser in Mac computers, even though other browsers may also be affected by this adware. MemoryFunction adware is often spread through integration with certain free applications. It may also be distributed through fake browser update alerts or fake software update alerts, for instance through fake Adobe Flash Player notifications. If you have discovered this particular adware to be the part of your computer, of course, the only correct conclusion is to immediately undertake the measures and get rid of it. For this purpose, open your Finder on your Mac, go to Applications, locate this program called MemoryFunction, then right-click on it and move it to the trash. Of course, if you see any other suspicious applications, get rid of them. There is a great program that can help you protect your Mac computer ahead of time from being damaged by any adware or malware. The program that we recommend you to use is Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The site where you may get it is combocleaner.com. The website will automatically detect the operating system, so download Combo Cleaner for Mac computers, install the software, then start the program and begin researching your system with its help. In your case, Combo Cleaner will be in the trial mode after you download it for the first time. So click on Start Combo Scan button and the program will begin researching and investigating your system. Certain features in Combo Cleaner trial version are absolutely free. For instance, they are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. You need to wait until the scanning is completed in order to see the whole summary of the threads which were revealed during the scan. Combo Cleaner works very well when it comes to detecting threats like adware, browser hijackers, fake system optimization programs, and other kinds of malware, and its Windows version is also able to remove ransomware and to protect your files from being affected by any ransomware type threats. So at the end of the scan, you'll be able to see the results. Click on Review Results. You'll be able to know the locations of these threads on your Mac computer. We strongly advise that you upgrade to Premium. This is the best way to keep your files always safe, to keep your entire Mac always protected and clean and free of any other threats.